Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're about to search. Start by confirming the AirPods Pro were previously paired to an Apple ID or iPhone. This matters for Find My History. Next, open your Android's location and Bluetooth. Grant permissions to the scanner app so it can detect low-energy devices. Run a Bluetooth scan immediately and watch signal strength. Move slowly to see RSSI changes. If you have the last known location time, use it to prioritize rooms or places. Once done, keep your phone steady and ready to pivot towards stronger signals. Now focus on the middle steps. Use RSSI numbers in the scanner app to guide you. Higher, less negative values mean closer proximity. Move deliberately in a grid pattern, pausing to rescan every 3 to 5 seconds so readings stabilize. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off to reduce noise. Once RSSI suggests 1 to 5 meters, switch to a slow sweep, check under cushions and pockets, and use your phone's flashlight for low-light spots. Make sure to listen carefully for any shell clinks or case sounds as you close in. Finish the retrieval calmly. When you locate the case or buds, open the lid and test a quick pairing or sound to confirm they're yours. If you don't find a live signal, pivot to last known location data. Call establishments you visited and mark the AirPods lost in Find My if you can access an Apple account. If things go wrong, reboot your Android, clear Bluetooth cache, try a different scanner or another Android device, and retry. Interference or a drained battery often hides a perfectly retrievable pair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.